Hi, you're welcome to my CHY Mall tutorial video presentations. In this video presentation, we want to look at a little update to the advanced credit program repayment method. I did a lot of videos, a number of them on this advanced credit program, the repayment, and then after the upgrade, I did another video on what is happening, the observations we made on the upgrade and then the repayment, etc. And it has generated a lot of mixed feelings and then a lot of do I say controversial, no contradictory comments and arguments, and then a few other questions that have come up in comments as people watch the videos and then they comment, express their concerns, etc. So there's a little update. We want to look at it in this short video quickly and then we proceed. All right, so we're looking at the advanced credit program, the ACP repayment method. So the company has come out, and so you remember I made a video and then I explained before the upgrade that the repayment was going to be in the format that the company is going to take 90% and then 10% will be cashable. That is what will be credited to your wallet. And then we were made to understand that this 90-10% deduction and payment is going to be based on only the tradings that are based on the loan that is given or the advance credit that is given. All right, so that is what I made the first video on and I explained. So if let's say you were on VIP 3 and then you were upgraded to VIP 4, VIP 3 you were earning let's say $14 per trade, and then VIP 4 you earn $42 per trade. So now you realize that when you are upgraded, it means the difference between the old earning and the current earning is going to be $28 per trading cycle. So it means the 90% is going to be based on this $28, which is a difference. That definitely means that is the loan element that is in this trading and earning. So the 90% will be deducted from the $28 and then the 10% will be paid. And so we said the 10% will be added to the 14 you were earning from your previous VIP trade. And so that is what we were made to understand was going to be the format. And then when the upgrade was done, we saw that it was a raw deduction of 90% from all earnings, and then 10% were paid to the wallets. That is what many people experience. And then what came up again as update is it is because many of the people have not started using the advanced credit to trade. And once they were trading with the old VIP, it means all the deductions were going to be raw and it's going to be 90% across board. Anything you are earning, 90% will be taken out of it towards the repayment of the loan. And then the 10% will be paid into your wallet, and that is what we experience, and that is what we are still experiencing. And so there is still rumor that it's because many of us have not started, because many of us are on an auto trade. So, and auto trade must end before you can place a new trade and utilize the advanced credit program. Okay. So we want to look at it as it is and do update. And then the question as to whether the company cannot stop the auto trade so that we can all implement our new VIPs and start trading with them. That question has come up severally. People were making comments. People were also advocating and asking that the company should do something, the IT team. We'll be looking at it in this video to see whether it's possible or it's not possible. All right, so we are looking at it here. Those of you who have made new trades, and then definitely it's not up to 10 days since the upgrade was done. So nobody has earned from the new upgrade or the trading with the new credit. So we are waiting for the next 10 days after the upgrade so that those people who are trading will see the true picture and the true reflection, how the deduction is going to be, so that we will know what is going to pertain, whether it is going to be 90 out of the trading profit of the difference between your previous VIP and then the current VIP, or it is going to be what it is right now, where we are seeing that 90% is deducted and 10% is paid into our wallets. So we are waiting for the first set of people who have placed manual trades or auto trades from the advanced credit for their first trade profit to drop, and then we'll see how the deduction is going to be like, and then this controversy will cease. And then people are asking how long is it going to take for this loan to be finished, and people are asking, can I prepay in order to clear the loan so that I'll start making my profit? So can I put in, let's say I'll buy CHY points and put in, and then they will deduct everything and my loan will clear. Let's look at how the update on that one too. So you can see advanced credit program repayment duration. So minimum repayment duration is going to be 365 days. There is no early repayment. So take note, no early repayment. So it means you can't intentionally put in money and expect that they should take it, so that you will just clear your loan and then your account will be free and then you start getting your full profit. So the company is saying there is no early repayment. The CHY more IT teams will automatically deduct points from your CHY points. So they will set the system that once the earnings enter, they will take the percentage from any earnings that drop after every 10 or 12-day cycle of trading, whether it's a manual trade or auto trade. So note, the minimum or trade repayment period is 365 days, and then there is no early repayment. So it means you cannot repay your money early by just putting in accumulated points, and then the company will take it. The system has been set to take 90% and 10% paid into your wallet. And so that is what the system is going to follow, and that's what the system is going to do. And then the another question that people are asking is, if they want to register new accounts or they want to register new members and they put in the CHY points in their account, will the system deduct it? And the answer again is no. The system only is set to deduct from earnings. So if you do P2P into your wallet, the system will not deduct it because it is not from earning. If you buy CHY points into your wallet to do maybe, how do I say, you want to register a new downline, the system will not pick those points. Okay, that's what I'm reliably informed. And then let's look at the following disclaimers quickly. So the upgrade or the advanced credit is applicable for customers from VIP2 to VIP6. So if you have VIP1 accounts you were holding down, they will not be upgraded because they don't have trading on them. So it applies only to customers from VIP2 to VIP6. So VIP2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, and 6 to 7, the newly created VIP. Then number two, application will now be done automatically by the IT teams who deem fit on the customer's account. So it means you don't need to apply to the company again for your account to be upgraded. You don't need to. When they came out with the first one where it was just optional, anybody who thinks they need a loan for upgrade, you could apply. This time you don't need to apply again. It says it will be done automatically by the IT team. So it means you don't need to apply for an upgrade. The system will do it for everybody across. And then number three, some accounts will be automatically given advanced credit options. Okay. So it depends on the position of the account. They will say they will look at the account, the credibility of the account, and then it will be given. If it is not, it will not be given. Number four, there are always two options in the new retail area. Now, when you go to the new retail and then you are placing a trade, whether new retail or the manual or the auto trade, you will see that there are now two payment sources. Those days, you just have the CHY points for new retail. It is when you are doing activation that you have the consumption points wallet from which you do the activation. But when it comes to the new retail area, it used to be CHY points only, and then you pay from there. This time you have two options, the CHY point or the advanced credit. So it means if you don't want to use your advanced credit so that they don't deduct, then you have to use your CHY point. That's if you have enough points in there to do your business. But once you use the advanced credit, which is the second wallet for payment for new retail products, then it means you have accepted all terms and conditions for the granting of the advance credit and the usage of the advance credit. So those are the two payment options at the new retail right now after the upgrade. If you go to place a new trade, you will see CHY points and then you will see advance credit. And then you choose the wallet from which you have points and you want to use to do your purchase. Okay. And then number five, please note it is not compulsory to use the advanced credit option. That is why there are two options that you still have the CHY points. And if you have enough points that can purchase and place a trade, then you can do it from there. So they are telling you it is not compulsory to do the advanced credit option. You realize that the main deduction they were doing, those deductions were only for the upgrade cost, the upgrade activation cost. So it didn't cover the trading. So you realize that when they did the upgrade, those who had more than enough money or enough points to cover both the upgrade, you realize that it is only the upgrade amount that was deducted, and then the rest of the points were left in their wallet. It is those of us who didn't have enough up to the upgrade amount that everything went away and we are still owing. Okay, because the advance credit for the trading capital is optional. As for the upgrade, it is general, it's automatic, compulsory for everybody. So that one, the system deducts it. But when it comes to the trading capital, it is not compulsory. You can decide to reject it. You can decide to accept and use it. So take note very, very well. It is the upgrade that is compulsory because you have been upgraded and you have to be activated. And so the system will deduct that one. But if you don't use the advanced credit that is credited to your wallet, the system will not deduct from your earnings because you have not used the credit. So take note of that one very well. That's what they are saying here. That please note it is not compulsory to use the advanced credit option. Have you use it, the repayment will be done automatically by the IT team system in 365 days. So you see, once you finish deducting the upgrade aspect of the credit or the loan that is given to you. So right now, when we go to your back office, you will see that the loan amount that is there, it covers both the trading capital and then the upgrade to the new VIP. What the system is deducting now is the how do I call it? The upgrade fee. And so if you intend not to use the advanced credit, it means the system will not deduct your from your earnings. But if you use it, then the system will deduct from your earnings automatically. So that is what this update is talking about. And then take note, advanced credit program ACP can only be used for account upgrade and new retail upgrade purposes. So you cannot withdraw it, you cannot transfer it. You realize that a different wallet has been created for it, and so it is not in our original CHY points where you can easily withdraw or transfer. It is in a new wallet where you cannot transfer it and you cannot make an attempt to withdraw it. Now, I also address a question where people said, those of us who are on auto trade, for instance, my first account, I just placed an auto trade 100 days and then they just made the upgrade. It means that account has to wait for 100 days before it can benefit from the upgrade and trade with the new trading capital in the upgraded account. And people were asking because of this VIP thing, can the company do anything and stop the trade so that we can all start on a fresh page? To those who have those challenges and those questions, this point is for you. Auto trade accounts will not be terminated earlier. They have to finish earlier VIP levels. So the VIP levels that are on auto trade, you have to finish those level of trading before it is upgraded to the newer VIP level for new auto trading. So if you are on 50 days or 100 days auto trading, the company cannot terminate the trade earlier than its full maturity. So it has to go full term on the old VIP. And once it has ended, and then the trading capital is released, and then it is deducted, then you can now shift gear to the upgraded VIP and start using the credit that has been loaned you, and then you start trading either another auto trade or manual trade. All right, so Basically, these are the new updates on this advanced credit and then the payment method and then a few issues that people came up with and then that have been withdrawn addressed in this update. So thanks for watching. Will come your way again. But before we go, I want to show you something briefly on our WhatsApp platform that there is evidence of people who have started withdrawing or they are able to withdraw already. So you can see this is a withdrawal note from Carry E-commerce Limited. So let's look at the date. That is the most important. So this is the date. You can see the date 2021 0101. So 1st January 2021 by 12 noon, somebody received their payment. Okay, so they have been able to withdraw. So it means it is possible to withdraw. I think there is another one. Let me scroll down and see that one too. And then we see that there is evidence of withdrawal. So this is another one we can see here. That is also another 157 Ghana cedi. So you can see the date there. It's also 2021 January 1, 12, 8. So 8 minutes. The other one landed 4 minutes after 12. This one 8 minutes after 12 noon. So there is evidence that withdrawal is going through now. And so if you have enough points, you can give it a shot and see. Who knows, your own may go through successfully as well. So thanks for watching. We see you in the next video.